Hey everyone, welcome to the Dev Tutor. My name is Ritwik Biswas and I'm super excited to kick off this journey with you. If you are passionate about coding, want to learn new skills, or want to level up your development game, then you are in the right place. On this channel, we are diving deep into the world of programming with a special focus on Laravel, Vue.js, AWS, server management, and live project-based tutorials. We will break down complex concepts into easy to follow steps. So whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, you will find content that helps you grow. But that's not all. We'll be working on real world projects together, giving you the hands-on experience you need to build your own awesome applications. From setting up your environment to deploying your apps, I'll be with you every step of the way. So if you are ready to take your coding skills to the next level, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I'll be releasing 3 videos every week packed with immense valuable content you won't want to miss. Thank you for joining me here on Dev Tutor. Let's start coding, learning and create something amazing together. Thank you.